It's really warm in there.
I'm glad you like it. You went into the house of straw.
House of straw, now I gotta go in the house of wood.
That's right. Everyone likes a little wood.
It's a stick house, not the wood house. Right.
Yeah, but no echo. Because I should be eating all this.
Take a little bit. Whoa, have a brick. I'll full of kids.
We're cows. With. Oh my God. We're cows. Winnie.
You can fit in that one.
I want to see if it's one.
That was a cheap shot.
Yeah, you went into all three houses.
Yay!
How did it feel to visit the little pigs?
Pretty awesome.
Did they have anything to say?
No, they
No?
were silent like mimes.
So just kind of standing there, huh?
Yep, standing
Bad
around.
hostess.
They are.